Beautiful one. Anyway, a simple rocket and spinach salad, which I'm going to show you. You guys definitely can make this at home. All right. So what I did earlier is wash off some spinach and rocket. Right, here it is. That's the spinach and rocket I washed off earlier. So what we're gonna do now is simple go through it with you guys. So I have some spring onion, which I'm going to be cutting. Bringing a lovely flavor to it. So I'm cutting up some spring onion. This can be like a lunchtime salad. I did a lunchtime salad a couple of days ago. The way I'm doing this one is a simple way, very easy way. That's it, guys. Definitely can do this one at home. All right. I'm gonna use a red onion also. That's the red onion. Radish is a must. You know, I mean, a lot of people doesn't like radish, but radish is very healthy and they have a lot of benefit also. Radish. So I'm gonna put 3 radish inside of the salad. Three simple medium-sized radish. With the radish, we always use radish at home to do a lot of stuff. So this is for you. Nice one. And olive. I'm gonna put some olive inside of it. And this is some green olive. Plum tomato. You can just simply cut the plum tomato them into half. And this is going to be a very unique and healthy salad recipe. Look at that. Very easy one. Then I got some more olive, green olive. I'm gonna just chop them in it like this. Cucumber. Use roughly about half a cucumber. The reason why I'm using the amount of cucumber, because put all of the salad together is going to be a lot. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice and simple. Then we got some mixed pepper. This is just some yellow pepper. Just gonna the beautiful thing is that salad is very healthy and good for you. Tomato, very good for you too. I love my tomato. And all I'm doing is just simple cut them into half. and into 4. Simple. Beetroot. A lot of people love beetroot. So I have some beetroot which I'm just gonna simple cut it into it. I'm gonna be using probably about 2 beetroot. And if you love salad, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Salad is very, very good for you. Especially if you're on a weight loss diet or you want to lose weight. Honestly, salad come in really handy. Secondly, what I'm going to do is put some pepper. Lovely. Give it a lovely mix around, like everything can combine together. It's gonna be really amazing salad. This you can have dressing with it, but the only way I would have this without some dressing is basically if I, you know what I mean. So what I'm gonna do simple is this. I'm gonna pop my salad into that bowl, but look at the whole beauty with the salad. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Very unique and healthy salad at home. Can't go wrong. Look at that, beautiful and really nice. Simple. And honestly, you're gonna see the difference when you put a little bit of chili on top of it like this. Just a little bit of dry chili. This is just some garlic and chili. Nice. That is bringing that different flavor to it. But as you can see, exactly what I'm talking about. Just take a good look at this beautiful salad. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe like this will be coming for you guys. It's just a simple one, and definitely I know you guys will love it. So what we're going to do now is pop a few more of the beautiful green olive to bring in a color to it also. So you guys can just enjoy that one and subscribe. As you can see, it's just an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Look at that, beautiful and simple, easy to make, nothing complicated. As you can see, you guys can have this for lunchtime or with your dinner, whatever time you want to have it. So enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.